Hello and welcome everybody. Today we'll be discussing a topic named Parkinson's disease or the paralysis agitans. So whenever we encounter a question in our examination asking for paralysis agitans, we simply have to write about the Parkinson's disease. So basically Parkinson's disease is the deficiency or the lack of dopamine. It is an inhibitory neurotransmitter which is secreted by the melanin containing pigmented cells of substantia nigra. It is transported through the nigrostriate fibers to the corpus striatum. Coming on to the biosynthesis of dopamine. Dopamine is formed from an aromatic amino acid that is tyrosine. Tyrosine, when acted upon by tyrosine hydroxylase, forms DOPA, which is dihydroxyphenylalanine. This tyrosine hydroxylase uses NADPH and tetrahydrobiopterin. DOPA is further acted upon by DOPA decarboxylase, which is a PLP dependent enzyme, to form dopamine. As we've already discussed, it is an important neurotransmitter which is inhibitory in nature. And it is an important neurotransmitter in the extrapyramidal tract, the substantia nigra, and the striatal fibers. Deficiency of dopamine results in cessation of inhibitory activities mediated by it. Release phenomena: the unrestricted activity of a lower brain center when a higher center with inhibitory control is incapacitated. The higher brain center here is the thalamus. Characteristic features: the patient shows resting tremors, that is, there is slight shaking of hands when a person is not performing a task, which is in contrast to the other tremors that we see in cerebral lesions. The next characteristic feature is muscular rigidity, the cogwheel or lead pipe type of rigidity where a ratchet movement is seen on passive movements. There is pill rolling tremors, which is again a sort of resting tremors. Mask-like face is seen due to loss of facial expression, also known as hypomimia. There is stiff shuffling gait due to rigidity of joints. Stooped posture is seen. Slowing down of movements, also known as dyskinesia or akinesia, is observed. Coming on to treatment. Administration of L-DOPA. L-DOPA is converted into dopamine in the brain. But dopamine cannot cross the blood-brain barrier, so dopamine cannot be directly given as a treatment. The second line of treatment could be the drug L-deprenyl, which inhibits the monoamine oxidase, which is an enzyme responsible for the destruction of dopamine. That's all for today. Thank you.